Hey everyone, welcome to our video, Discovering the Power of Canister Vacuum Cleaners. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore everything you need to know about canister vacuum cleaners, and why they have become a popular choice for efficient and effective cleaning. So, let's get started. Please check the description link, I will provide details information. What are upright vacuum cleaners? Upright vacuum cleaners are popular household appliances designed to simplify the cleaning process. They are called upright because of their vertical design, featuring a handle, a dustbinner bag, and a motorized brush head at the base. These vacuums excel in cleaning carpets and floors, offering powerful suction to remove dust, dirt, pet hair, and debris. The advantages of upright vacuum cleaners. One of the significant advantages of upright vacuum cleaners is their powerful suction capabilities. Equipped with robust motors, they efficiently pick up dirt and debris from different surfaces. Additionally, many upright vacuums come with adjustable settings, allowing you to switch between carpeted areas and hard floors effortlessly. Another benefit is their ergonomic design. Upright vacuum cleaners are designed to be user-friendly, featuring a long handle that eliminates the need for excessive bending or kneeling during cleaning. This ergonomic design reduces strain on your back and makes vacuuming more comfortable and less tiring. Key features of upright vacuum cleaners. Upright vacuum cleaners offer a range of features to enhance your cleaning experience. Some models come with HEPA filters, which trap small particles and allergens, improving indoor air quality. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.